Hello guys, welcome to Libra Philippines. So anyway, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libras. Take only what resonates, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate sa'yo. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, i-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Wait lang guys. Ayan, so, ayan. Gilid ko lang itong nalaglag na ano. By the way, that is sage. So, papausok po ako para matanggal, ma-cleanse yung ating energy, maging fresh bago tayo magsimula. So, sana mag-iwan ka ng like or comment dyan sa baba. Kahit po heart lang, any comments will do. Masayang-masaya po ako sa mga comments ninyo. Kasi, nagpapakita ng malaking suporta sa akin yung comment. Yan. Of course, lalo na yung subscription. Pero yung comment kasi, nakikita ko kung sino talaga yung active na nanonood sa akin. Yan. Kasi sa likes, hindi po nakikita yung pangalan ng mga nagla-likes. Anyway, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Let's start your reading. This is general love reading. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles. Depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. So, bahala ka na ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Kung hindi ka makaka-relate, na next readings pa tayo. Okay? Please do follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Diyan ako nagla-live. So, kung gusto mo ako mapanood ng live, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Or doon sa aking isa pang channel, Madam P Vlogs. Diyan ako magla-live. Okay? Sa Facebook, not sure pa, pero sooner or later doon din ako magla-live. Ano yan? Manghuhula ng kapalaran by Unicorn Princess Tarot. Let's start your reading, Libras. Okay, you do have here the Lovers. And the Empress. And two major arcanas. One more card, please. One more card. Six of Swords and the King of Swords. I see you moving on. Nakikita natin yan. Nag-move on ka. Ginagawa mo yun para sa sarili mo. You keep on loving yourself right now. Self-love, this is you. Kina-cut off mo yung past or whatever is whatever hurt you in the past. Kina-cut off mo yun. Inaalis mo na yun because you're loving yourself now. I feel like sa ngayon, parang hindi mo kailangan ng kung sino man sa buhay mo. Basta sa ngayon, sarili mo lang. Basta masaya ka, maganda ka, pogi ka, whatever. This is what is important here. You're loving yourself. Who is this person that you're dealing with, Libra? Person na kakonect mo. By the way, nakakita ko ng I don't know, it's like a honey. This could be a reading, honey, or alitap-tap, bahay ng alitap-tap. This could be a reading. What do we have here for Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libras. Please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. For Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay. Let's start your reading. Please tell me. Okay, so at the bottom of the deck, we do have the Nine of Wands, the Four of Swords. Four of Cups. Actually, itong person na ito, hindi siya sure na, sa connection ninyo. Maraming challenges. Also ngayon, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas niya sa'yo. Tinatry niyang i-block or hindi gumawa ng any movement, or pag kung ikaw ang gumawa ng movement sa kanya, wala siya din kunwaring pakialam. Just in case ikaw ang gagawa ng movement. This person with the Page of Cups is very immature pagdating sa emotion na nararamdaman niya or pagdating sa love at all. This person cares about money. So, sa ngayon, na-focus niya money. Kasi yan naman talaga I can see a lot of offer with the Knight of Pentacles na naibibigay or binibigay dito sa person na ito, and sa ngayon, ito muna talaga ang focus niya. Hindi ikaw, dahil hindi rin naman siya ang focus mo. So, I want to know kung ano yung mga nasa isipan ninyo at emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. This could be the past person. I can see a very immature energy, guys. A very immature energy coming from this person. So, pwedeng ang kakonect mo talaga immature. Nasa isip at emotions mo towards this person. For Libra, please. Lightning. Yeah, you're focusing on changes, transformation sa buhay mo. You do have your boats. Talaga nag-move on ka naman talaga. Talaga nag-move on ka. And, I feel like you do have your heart broken. Nasaktan ka because of this connection. Pero, dahil nasaktan ka, nakafocus ka ngayon sa transformation, di ba? This is self-love with the golden mirror. Yan. You could be dealing with your twin flame. Anyway, golden mirror, iba yung nakasulat dito, but this is not how I pick up the energy ngayon. Nakalagay dito, self-absorbed, narcissist, one-sided relationship, love bombing. Pero yung energy na kukuha ko is, this is you, looking at yourself, this is you. Ito, mirror ito eh. I don't know, I feel like someone is walking. This could be a reading. Might be ikaw ay habang nanonood ay naglalakad. Yeah, you could be walking right now. So anyway, this is you loving yourself. You could be dealing with your twin flame and you're loving yourself. And nagfo-focus ka ngayon sa sarili mo. You don't care about this past person anymore. And maybe nakuha mo na yung closure na kailangan mo. Okay, wait lang guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, I'm back. So, ano yung nasa isipan niya at emotions niya patungkol sa'yo? I don't know, guys. I don't feel good right now. Pwedeng may nakapaligid sa'yo ngayon. Anyway, so sa nakikita natin ito, you do have your I like you. Or while watching, no, bago ko manood sa akin, maybe may nanggulat sa'yo. That's the energy. Parang I don't feel comfortable. Parang nakakaramdam ako ng nervyos, ng ewan. So, this could be a reading. Okay? So, if this is you, maybe napapanay-panay pagkakape ng iba sa inyo. So, yeah. For what I can see here, yung person na ito, past person, is like focusing sa kanyang palm tree, which is yung kanyang stability. This past person is, he or she needs more time. Kung kay kakonect mo twin flame mo or whatever, kailangan niya pa ng time. More time. Maaaring kaya siya umiiwas ngayon kasi hindi pa siya ready at all. Hindi pa siya ready. So sabi ko nga, immature pa tong person na ito. But don't get me wrong, this person likes you so much. Gusto ka niya. With the I like you. Gusto ka niya. It's just that hindi pa siya ready. Nagfo-focus pa lang siya ngayon sa growth niya. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Coffee cup is here. And you do have the snake. Okay. So, tell me more. You do have here hammer. Okay, may nararamdaman ako dito. So, someone here might be cooking right now. Or may iniinit na pagkain. This could be a reading. So, I can see you working hard dito sa... I can feel a new connection sa'yo. So, might be may mga kakonek kang bago in the near future. And I can see pagle-level up ng connection, communication with this person. I can see you na might be may meeting. I can say meeting here with the coffee cup. And pwedeng it's something na i-rebuild or masaayusin. And this could be the person with the snake na makakakonect mo. Or kakonect mo na. Maaaring kakonect mo na ngayon. Nakakita tayo pag-uusap sa niya para ayusin niya yung kanyang sarili. And this is you trying to tell this new person, no, na kailangan natin ng moving up or growth. So, para mangyari yan, kailangan ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, kailangan mo mag-grow din. Okay? That's the energy na nakuha natin. So, focus mo is growth mo pagdating doon sa new person or the present person na kakonect mo ngayon. This past person, tell me about this person. Talking is here. passion and girl talk. And tell me about this. Please, third guy, single guys. Seduction. There's another person din na involved dito sa person na kakonect. So, kung may kakonect kang bago, can you see this? Okay? So, pareho kayo may coffee cup. Coffee cup din sa person mo. So, I can see na medyo napapatagal yung connection or communication ninyo ni past person because with the talking, may ka-connection bago ngayon. I can see love na na-develop dito. This could be with the third party situation. And nakikita natin na I don't feel good yan kasi pareho kayong may mga ka-connect na iba pero ikaw inaayos mo yung person na ito, itong new person na ito kasi gusto mo na level up, and then this past person is ganun din, will be dealing with a girl with a snake, so he or she will be dealing with a snake, no? Hindi niya na-realize in the past na you are the empress, and now pumalit siya or naghanap siya ng snake. Wherein, with a hammer, siya din na mag-aayos doon sa person na yon. And nandito na sila sa stage or developing stage. Nandito na sila sa dating stage. Nandito na siya sa stage wherein yung new person niya in the near future will be someone na I feel like this new person will be someone na maghahabol sa person mo. Like, because of maybe money. We do have your karmic relationship or pwedeng possible na mapunta yung person mo sa karma ng buhay niya. Like a karmic relationship, possible na relationship with this new person. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.